Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing a Ross Bowers 8-inch Submarine Light Studio. So let's get to unboxing this and I will do a review. I need a tripod so when I record my videos. So let's get started. Get the box. So I'm about to open the box. Almost there. So in the box you have the tripod, the stand, yep. This is like a little shuttle button. This the little phone clip that you place your phone on. Actually, this is the piece that you put the phone on. And then I guess this is the nose, you could say, that moves the tripod around. And I guess this should be the ring light. And it's small, it's the 8-inch. But we about to put this together, so it's my instructions. And this say it extended to 51, so we're gonna see how high this can go. So it said rotate the screw to fix the ring light. So this right here. So we're gonna stick this part inside of here. This is the tripod. The next step say install the light screw hole into the selfie stick screw. So this is what I'm doing now. So this is it right here. And it's a hole right there. I'm gonna place this screw inside of this hole. Now let's see how we gonna it say keep the platform base fixed, tight the light by rotating the screw. So this the platform base, you could say, and it's a screw. Let me get in there. Like right here, this screw right here. So I'm just gonna take the screw and just tighten it up. So I'm gonna come in to let you see what I done. As you can see right here, this screw right here. So all I did was just tighten it up. My hands might be ashy. Please don't mind it. But pay attention to this. Okay. So with this, we're gonna stretch it out. See, I'm about to stand it up so we can see how tall it can get. Because it say it go to 51, so I want to extend it to see, you know. Here it goes. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Hold on, I gotta read some more instructions. Per the instructions, it's saying insert the black ring screw and pole mount phone holder until the clip properly. It's already connected. It came out the box already connected. So this is the screw they're talking about, and it's already connected. So it say tighten the phone holder by rotating the ring. It's already tight. It's connected already. Now I say flip the ring, choosing a suitable position. So if you can see right here, you're gonna flip it open. Like, well, I'm gonna squeeze it and there, like that. And it's gonna open up. So you're gonna take your ring light and you're gonna place it in a position. And I thought this was gonna be higher, but it ain't as tall as I thought it was gonna be. I'm just gonna tighten it up to lock it in place. Position the way I want it. And it's standing on the table, so it's not all that big. And then you just open it. And place it in your position. And then you're gonna close it. This thing about to fall off. It's gonna tip over me. Alright, so this is what it looked like. This is the height of what it's looking like to me. Let me get a better view. Alright, so as you can see, this is the tripod. It's $5.99. It's a Bauer. Next, we're about to plug it in to see, does it work? So this ring light standing up. So we're gonna turn it on. This is the light. And let's change the color. Well, I don't know if this ring light changed color, but as you can see, it get bright, warm, or you can go down if you want it dark, like a vlog. Then you could change it. So it does change colors. So right now it's light. Change the mood in the room, your mode or whatever. And then let's turn it up. If you want to, get that beauty work, I see you do it like so. It's a good investment. It's $5.99. As you can see, what I did was I just tightened it up right here. That's why I sit up like this. Your phone can go right here, so where you don't have to hold it. And if you want to tilt the ring light down, you just unscrew it. And then you put it, lay it down right here in the position you want. And then you just lock it back up. So that is my review. I'm a beginner, but this is what I'm gonna have to use to store my content. So let me know if you go purchase this.